If you want to make thousands of dollars in passive income by just following professional trains and not doing any of the work, be sure to watch the full video. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know on how to start copy trading and be a part of the millions of profits that these master traders are making for their followers. So let's not talk too much and let's get on with how to set up your copy trading account. So the first thing you gotta do, guys, is go to the top of my description and click on the partner Bybit link. After you clicked on it, you will go to the Bybit create account page and just create an account using my link, which has my promo code. So after you have set up your account using my link, the next steps are really easy, guys. So from the Bybit homepage, all you gotta go is to go to derivatives and then click on copy trading. Once you're at copy trading, you will find all these master traders, top trades by return of investment, trades with the highest profit and everything. But I'm gonna show you my favorite trader, which I would recommend to follow, guys. So his name is Trader Blockchain, and I've been following this guy for a while. So just type in Trader Blockchain at the top, guys. Here you can see we got Trader Blockchain. Just click on his name. So once we open Trader Blockchain, I'm gonna explain you really quick why I like this guy so much. So he's got a 13.46% return of investment after the last 30 days, which is basically incredible good. I'm gonna show you guys in the part where I talk about profits how good 13% is, and you will not believe how much money this is. Max drag down is 1.24%, meaning he goes never down hard in trades. His total winning trades are over 1000 and his lose trades are only 50, and he didn't even lose any trades, guys. This is just followers losing trades, because I've been following this guy for ages and I've not lost a single trade. So I look at people who got amazing amount of wins and like no losses at all, guys. Then the next thing is that is really important is you scroll down and you do trading history, last 30 trades, and make sure that his last 30 days has at least 200 plus trades. Even this guy has been at like top 400-500. So this is really important, because if they don't do many trades, you won't make any profit, guys. So after you find your copy trading master or choose this one, you can always PM me on Twitter or Telegram. Hey Doc, do you think this one is a good one? And I will just give you my opinion. You just go to the top and you click on copy trade. So it says copy trading settings for me, but it will say copy trade for you. So just click on it. So once you open the settings, the first thing you actually gotta do is get money on your copy trading balance. So it's really easy. You can just click here, guys, and what this will do is it will transfer from your derivatives account to your copy trading. So how do you get money on your derivatives? Really easy. Go to the home page. On the top, click on assets. Once at assets, you just click on spots. Once you're here, guys, all you gotta do is transfer from your spots, really easy, USDT to your derivatives. So like we just did, it will do it in a second. And then if we go back to this and we just refresh it, so we reopen it, we will see that we will actually have the money here, and then you can just transfer from your derivatives to your copy trading account. And if you want to do the other way around, it's as easy as well. So the first thing they're gonna ask us is fixed margin. You get a $10 to $2,000 USD per trade, guys, and I'm gonna explain you right now what the ideal margins are. So this part is really easy, guys. I will tell you my recommended margin out of 2-3 months of experience. So my recommended margin is 25 times the margin is a total value in your balance. So if you have $250 in your account, you would have a margin trade of 10. If you have 500, 20. If you have $1,000 on your account, $40. If you have 2,500 on your account, $100. If you have 5,000 on your account, $200. And if you have $10,000 on your account, I would say you have a margin of $400, guys. So basically, let's just say I would have 250, then I just take 10. The next step is this copy loss. Just put it at 100%, guys. There's no need for this to even happen. This is just something which will actually make you lose money, because sometimes trades go in deep negative, but you will make profit at the end of the day. But if you have a stop loss, it will actually cancel the trade. So never do that, guys. Just put it at 100% and it's really easy. Then always leverage settings. Be sure to click on followers traders leverage. Like, don't do fixed or custom, guys, because these guys have done thousands of trades without losses. They know what to do, and you being greedy will only lose you money. And the other things here, you can just ignore them, and once you set up the right margin, just click on configure copy trading settings. So once you're finally copying a master trader, the next question is, how much profit can you actually make with copy trading? So I'm gonna give you real examples on how much money you can actually make. No bullshitting around with like you can make it with $100, $10,000. No, guys, real examples. So the first thing we notice is 13.46% return of investment. That's what we're counting here, guys. The next thing is we're seeing 220 trades in a month. So that means 55 trades weekly. So if you would have a balance of $250, that means you would do $10 per trade times 55 trades times a return of 13.46% means you would make $74 weekly, guys, which is amazing. If you would have a balance of $500, 20 trades of 55 trades with a return of 13.46% would be $148 after a week, guys. If you would have a balance of $1,000 and you would do $40 trade times 55 trades times 13.46% would already be almost $300 in a week, guys. And if you would have a balance of 2,500, meaning you would do $100 a trade times 55 trades with a return of 13.46, meaning you would make $740 a week. So basically, if you would have $2,000 in your balance, you would actually make already $500 a week. Like, this return of investment he done in the last 30 months is basically crazy, but sometimes they got these days, like some weeks you make less, some weeks you make more, but on average, this is what you can expect in good times. Like I said before, this guy is used to doing 400-500 trades a week. Like, just being Christmas and New Year, he's a little bit less active because of course everybody wants to spend time with family, guys. But as you can see, exactly, these are real examples, guys. 13.46%, and if we go down, he did 220 trades in the last 30 days. Like, I'm not showing you anything like you can make $50,000 with like $1,000. No, guys. If you want to make money, you gotta invest money. But this is, in my opinion, not financial advice, one of the safest way to do it. Then the next question is, how can you adjust your settings? So like we searched this guy, you just go back to Trader Blockchain, and at the top of you just pick copy trading settings, and here you can just adjust however you want to do it, guys. So really easy. Then another big question is, how do you cancel a copy? So you just click on the top left, cancel copy, and this is really important. Like, let's say you found a better trader and you don't want to trade this one anymore. Never pick exit immediately. This will just close your trade. Even though if you let's say you have 5 trades minus 70%, you will lose all your money. Always choose continue copying the trade until the positions are closed. This means you will have your positions still open, and when this trader closes down with profit, you will profit. Even though you're following the second trader, this one will still rule about your old trades. But never just exit immediately, because this will actually lose your money. Then one other big question. Sometimes people tell me, Doc, can I just not invest with $100? Like 250, I don't have that. Well, I'm currently testing a secret bullish method with $100 for a couple of days. I'm already up 7.5%. So as you can see, last 7 days, 7.62%. 2%. I'm doing it, but it's very risky. But I'm gonna show you right now the settings of the risky $100 start, guys. I'm not sure how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna show you right now, and I'm gonna tell you it's risky, but let's see the settings of $100. So basically, like I said, the fixed margin minimum is $10, then copy loss always at 100%, but then I did something crazy. I did fixed 10x because I believe in this trader. Until this week, he never failed at 10x either. This is very risky, but you need this. And the second important thing is take profit ratio per order 5%. Why am I doing this like this? Basically, sometimes these traders open 20 trades or 15, and the first one they go plus 2% and on a long, and then sometimes Bitcoin starts dumping and they short. But what you want to do with this 5% and 10x is when the trade is like up 1.7%, you just take profits because you will be 5% up and you will close this trade. This way you will have enough balance to actually trade with this master trader, because if they open 20-30 trades and a short period and you only have money for 10 trades, guys, they will kick you out of the trader. You can actually join them again, but they will kick you out because your balance is not high enough. This is why this method works. I'm currently testing it. I will make an updated video of if this really works, if I get kicked out, but currently it's working, guys. So this is really risky. You could do this with more money as well. Like, it's a risky method, risk reward. I would definitely first, before you start copy trading the first time, do the first method I told you, but this method can be done as well, guys. So let's end this video, guys, with my final tips of copy trading. So always make sure your margin is at least your balance divided by 25. Pick the leverage of the copy master. Don't be greedy, guys. Unless you're doing really low money like I'm doing with this $100 challenge, then you can do it, guys. Increase margin when balance is increased. So basically, let's say you start with $250 and you make like $70, and then if you do $320 divided by 25, you will have like 11 point something. So increase your margin every time you make profit, like with $1, $2, and then you can make more money. So you're basically compounding. Like, never cancel a trade yourself. Even if you see that your trade is minus 70%, don't be scared, guys. I've seen trades go to minus 99% and still end in profit, guys. So don't be scared. Just follow your master trader. He does thousands of trades without losses. He knows what to do. That's copy trading, not financial advice. Of course, sign up with my link to support my channel, to make sure that I keep doing these updates and I keep getting motivated. Then if you have any questions, guys, you can PM me or Twitter or Telegram. The links will be at the top pinned comment as well, so you can always ask me, Doc, are these settings right? Is this copy master good? Do you want to check this out? I will just give my opinion, not financial advice, but you can always ask me, guys. I will always answer my community. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. This video. Also, follow me at The Real Doc on Twitter to know when I post video, to know when I post tips and tricks and updates about crypto. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel for more crypto content, and YouTube. Until next time.